Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start with our today's class. So children, let's start our today's class. So before starting with our today's new topic, we'll just give a quick recap and we'll do a small activity, okay? So in our previous class, children, we studied about the terms earlier and later, isn't it? Earlier means the activity which we do before, and the activity which we do after the other one, children, is your later, okay? So you take out page number 24 of your textbook. Tick the activity which comes later than the other in the given pairs of activities. You have to tick the activity which comes later than the other. Okay. So you have to tick the activity which comes later. Okay. You have to identify the pictures. You see the picture and understand which activity is done later than the other. So here a child is taking bath, isn't it? Whereas here they are sitting on the table for their lunch or breakfast, you can say. So children, what activity is done later? Taking bath or having food? Having food is done later, isn't it? Taking shower is done before. So we take our shower, then we eat our food, isn't it? Next, B. Here you can see some kids are sitting in the class. They are studying. Teacher is teaching, isn't it? Whereas this child is going to school, isn't it? So what activity is done, children, later? First you will go to school, then you will study, isn't it? So this activity is later. Next, you can see here kids are getting ready to go school, isn't it? Whereas here kids are playing in the park. So which activity is done later, children? This is done in the morning, whereas this is done in the evening, isn't it? So which activity is later? Playing in the park. Clear? Next, the last one, you can see your child is sleeping, whereas here a child is playing. So which activity is done later, children? We play in the evening. We play in the evening and we sleep at night. So first comes evening, then comes night. So which activity is later, children? Night. Sleeping is later. Okay, have you understood? So let's start with our today's new topic of chapter time. So children, you can take out page number 15 of your book. The learning outcome of today's class is, children, we will match different parts of the day to different activities. Today we will study about the parts of the day and what activity do we do during that part of the day. Okay. So what is written here? We know that sun rises in the morning. Sun rises when, children? In the morning. So what? And then it sets in the evening. Sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. It is right above overhead at noon. Now children, you must be thinking about the word noon. When does noon comes in a day? Isn't it? And during what time morning comes and during what time evening comes. So let's study about it through the timeline in a number line on which it is shown here. You can see here the number line. This is the timeline also, children. So you know that in a day, how many hours are there? How many hours are there, children, in a day? There are 24 hours, isn't it? So it is divided into two parts. First part is, children, your AM, that is anti-meridian, AM. And the second part is PM. Second part is PM, that is prime meridian. Okay. AM we call morning and PM we call, children, after 12. After 12 noon, that is after when there is 12 during the daytime, that is called 12 noon. So after that time is children PM. After that time is what? PM. Okay, and it remains PM till midnight. Okay, that means 1 minute before midnight, and after midnight children again it starts AM. So midnight is what you must be thinking. Now I'll explain you two terms first about the noon and midnight. Okay, noon is children when there is 12 o'clock during the daytime, when you feel the most hottest. It is why we feel hottest, because the sun is exactly over the head, isn't it? So at that time, sharp 12 children, when it is sharp 12, we call 12 noon, or you can say midday. What do we call? 12 noon, or you can say midday. Clear? Now let's study about midnight. What is midnight? When it is 12 o'clock at night. You know children, sometimes what happen when we have our birthdays, so our parents wish us at 12 o'clock at night, isn't it? So that what it is called, that time is called 12 midnight. What is called 12 midnight? Clear? So you see children, from 12 midnight to 12 noon. This is 12 midnight to 12 noon. That is, how many hours are there? 12 hours, isn't it? How many hours are there? 12 hours. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 hours. So children, the time between midnight and noon is your morning time. And how long it remains children? It is 12 hours. Morning is 12 hours. Okay. Then afternoon, after 12 noon children till midnight, there is 12 hours, and between that, in this 12 hours children, you will get afternoon and evening. Okay. And during afternoon children, we have our lunch, and during evening we go to play, we study, isn't it? And during morning hours, what we do children? We wake up, we brush our teeth, we get ready for the school, isn't it? And during night children, we sleep. Is it clear to everyone? About the midday, you just understand about the noon, 12 noon and 12 midnight. And between midnight and noon children, there is your 12 hours, which is morning, and after 12 noon there is 12 hours till midnight, there is afternoon and evening. Clear? So this is how morning is called AM and afternoon and evening is called PM. Understood? So this is about the parts of the day, and in different parts we do different activities, isn't it? So this is how children, this is how we get 12 hours of PM, 12 hours of AM and 12 hours of PM makes 24 hours. So this is how one day completes. One whole day completes with these parts of the day. Morning, then your noon, then afternoon, evening, midnight. This how children the day finishes. 24 hours finish. Clear? So children, let's see this page number 16. So children, let's do this activity which is given in page number 16 of your book. So complete this table of your activities. So we have to write the activities which we do in which part of the day. The first activity is I take bath and get dressed for school. So when do we get dressed for school children? In which part of the day? Morning. So your answer is morning. You write the spelling MORNING, morning. Next, I have my breakfast. In which part of the day do we take our breakfast children? We take our breakfast in the morning. So the answer is morning. Very good. Next, I go to school. During which part of the day children we go to school? We go to school in the morning. I have my lunch. When do we take our lunch? Afternoon. You write the spelling of afternoon. Okay. I go to play with my friends. When do we go to play with our friends, children? In which part of the day? We go in the evening. So the answer is evening. I have my dinner. When do we take our dinner, children? Night. Okay. So you write the spelling of night. Night. Is it clear? Okay. You can also see these activities, children. Go through it. And before concluding, there are two questions which you have to answer to these two questions, children. When do we go to school? You have to answer to it. Next, when do we return from the school? So, in which part of the day, children, we go to school, and in which part of the day, children, we return from the school. So, you think over it and answer to this question. We'll discuss in our next class. Number 2, when do we have our lunch? During which time, children, part of the day we take our lunch? Just now we did, isn't it? So think over it, answer to this question. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.